Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of Discord on all devices you had. So let's begin. By doing this secures your account by forcing a logout everywhere. Useful if you suspect unauthorized access. So go right away here on your user settings, click on that. Then I would like you to go to devices. Next, you have the option here to log out of all known devices. So just to make it clear, be careful because this will log you out, and make sure that you still remember your username, passwords, or even your passkeys. Okay. So once you've select this option, this will automatically log you out, including the very device you're currently on right now. But that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.